Let us see how we can make a cylindrical slice of the 3D model in Solidworks and export it as DXF to be able to analyze it. First of all, let us open the model. In this case, it will be IGS file. This might take a while for Solidworks to process it. The basic idea behind the method is to make a surface that intersects our model at the required radius, and then to export it as DXF being unwrapped. No, thank you. Alright, now we can see our model. Let us tweak it a little bit. Right. First of all, let us make the drawing to be extruded as surface. Click on the plane, sketch, Control 3, alright, for a better view. Now we can use tool center point arc in order to draw the arc of interest. It is important to make it open arc now and to close it manually with a different type of operation. You will see why later. Now we can use smart dimension in order to specify the required radius. Let it be 98.76 millimeters in this very case. So we have to make sure that it intersects all the features that we want to be able to see. And when we are fine with what is represented on the screen, let us click Extruded Boss Base button. It can be either blind or something a little bit more advanced for the sake of interest. To vertex. There's a vertex out here. And second direction up to surface. Let it be this very surface. Face 1. Okay. Alright, now we see a little bit modified cylinder that intersects the model in the surface that is required, and we can see that it is indeed not a cylindrical surface, but a surface with cutouts in the shapes of the blades intersections. Now we should use menu for surfaces. We can find it in view, toolbars, surfaces. Now let us click offset surface and select the wall of our cylinder. In this case we want offset of 0. Okay. And the next thing we do is surface flatten. We select the surface that we have made and the starting point for flattening procedure. There is a setup that we can tweak in order to make a finer surface and finer end file DXF. We can increase the accuracy of triangulation of our surface. This will take a little bit more time, and I will get a little bit more view time from you. Thank you. Alright, it is dark as a forest. When we are satisfied, we click OK, and Solidworks will create another object that is the surface that we have just accepted to insert. just in a moment we will be able to operate with it. Okay, thank you. Let us hide the unneeded stuff. This is the surface we want to save, so we select it with left click, then we can either file save as or Ctrl-Shift-S for increased view time. And save it as DXF, call it slice 9876. Alright, and don't forget to actually confirm the save operation in this very menu. Phase 1, that is this one. And okay, this is the preview. The file has not been saved yet. And after we click save here, we can see file slice 98.76. Okay, that we can open in, let's say, Inkscape. And here it is. We can do whatever manipulations we want with it. For example, Ctrl-Shift-F for fill and stroke menu. Select all the blades and change color, width of it for better representation.